Hello, my sweet little one. Are you ready for a magical bedtime story? Tonight, I'm going to tell you about a very kind shoemaker and some tiny helpers with big hearts. This is a special tale about how being good to others brings wonderful surprises. So snuggle up close, get cozy under your blanket, and let's discover this enchanting story together. Once upon a time, sweetie, there lived a very kind shoemaker. Oh, but he was so poor. He had just enough leather left to make one last pair of shoes. What will I do? He wondered sadly. His little shop was almost empty, and his shelves had no shoes left to sell. But you know what? Even though he was worried, he never stopped being kind to everyone he met. That evening, the shoemaker carefully cut out the leather pieces for one pair of shoes. He laid them out on his workbench, all ready to sew in the morning. "Tomorrow I'll make these into beautiful shoes," he said hopefully. Then he blew out his candle and went upstairs to bed. Can you imagine how tired and worried he must have felt, honey? But guess what happened next, my dear? When the shoemaker came downstairs in the morning, oh my goodness! There on his workbench sat the most beautiful pair of shoes he had ever seen. They were perfectly sewn with tiny, neat stitches. "How can this be?" he gasped in amazement. The shoes sparkled like magic in the morning sunlight streaming through his window. A customer came into the shop that very day and saw the beautiful shoes. "These are wonderful," she exclaimed. She paid the shoemaker enough money to buy leather for 2 more pairs of shoes. The kind shoemaker was so happy and grateful. That night, he cut out leather for 2 pairs this time, laying the pieces carefully on his workbench before going to sleep. And you know what happened again? The next morning, there were 2 pairs of perfect shoes waiting for him. This kept happening night after night. The mysterious helper kept making beautiful shoes while the shoemaker slept. Soon, his shop was busy with customers, and he wasn't poor anymore. But he still wondered, who was helping him? Isn't that the most curious thing, sweetheart? One night, the curious shoemaker decided to hide and watch. He crept behind his counter and waited quietly. At midnight, whoosh! 2 tiny elves appeared. They had pointed ears, green caps with little bells, and the tiniest tools you ever saw. They worked so fast, their little hands flying as they sewed. Stitch, 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 they went, giggling softly as they worked together. The shoemaker's heart filled with joy and gratitude. These little elves had been so kind to him. But he noticed something, honey. The elves were wearing torn, raggedy clothes, and they looked cold in the chilly workshop. "I must do something special for them," he thought. "They've been so good to me. Now it's my turn to be good to them." The next day, the grateful shoemaker and his wife worked together to make tiny gifts for the elves. They sewed 2 little green jackets, 2 tiny pairs of pants, and even made miniature shoes. Everything was elf-size and perfect. "They'll be so warm and cozy in these," said his wife happily. They wrapped everything in pretty paper and left the gifts on the workbench. That night, when the elves found their beautiful new clothes, they danced with joy. "Look at our wonderful new outfits," they sang happily. They put on every piece. The jackets, pants, and tiny shoes fit perfectly. The elves were so delighted, they danced around the workshop, laughing and spinning. Then, with grateful hearts, they disappeared into the night, knowing their work was done. From that day on, the shoemaker's shop was always successful, and he was never poor again. He had learned something very important, my sweet child. When we are kind and generous, especially when times are hard, wonderful things come back to us. The shoemaker's kindness brought him magical help, and his gratitude brought him even greater joy. And they all lived happily ever after. And that, my sweet child, is the end of our story. What a wonderful adventure we've had together. Remember, when we are kind and generous, even in hard times, wonderful things can happen to us. This story teaches us something very important. About kindness and helping others brings unexpected blessings. Did you enjoy our story time? I hope it filled your heart with joy and wonder. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember, you are loved more than all the stars in the sky.